Goody, this is the last video of today. After this, you only have your handwriting, the cursive A, which you will be doing by yourself. I did realize that we never did the cursive M for some reason. So that will be coming to you guys next week. So let's read. Science, habitat of a fish. Habitat of a fish. All fish live in the M, which can be fresh water or water. Fish use their gills to breathe and their fins to swim around in the water. Some fish, like hide in between the coral and special sea plant called anemone. That's a very strange word. Do you guys remember in Finding Nemo? They live in an anemone, but then who couldn't say the word? I think it was Nemo. He kept saying anemone or something like that. So cute. So they live in a special sea plant called anemone. Good. Now let's have a look. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. The words that we have to fill in is water, salt, and clownfish. So, all fish live in the water, all fish live in the salt, or all fish live in the clownfish. Write the correct answer and cross it out at the bottom. All fish live in the water, all fish live in the salt, or all fish live in the clownfish. Good. Which can be fresh water or water, which can be fresh water or salt water, or which can be fresh water or clownfish water. Which one of those fits best? Write it in and then cross it out at the bottom. Fish use their gills to breathe and their fins to swim around in the water. Some fish like water hide in between the coral and special sea plant called anemone. Some fish like salt hide in between the coral and special sea plant called anemone. Or some fish like clownfish hide in between the coral and special sea plant called anemone. We just talked about it. Finding Nemo was a what? What type of... Well, I won't say anything else. Okay, then we come to number 1. Do fish like to swim? Do fish like to swim? Yes or no? Just circle the correct one. Do fish like to swim? Yes or no? Number 2, what do fish use their gills for? Do they use their gills to breathe or do they use their gills to swim? Circle the correct one. If they use their gills to breathe, you circle this one. If they use their gills to breathe, you circle that one. And then number 3, some fish swim all over the world. Is that true or not? I can help you with that one. Yes. To be honest, I don't have the facts in front of me, but it makes sense to me. Why not? There are so many different types of fish that I would find it difficult to believe that all fish only stick to one place. I'm sure there are fish that can literally swim wherever they want. Good, then at the bottom, pick one correct answer about the habitat of a fish. Habitat means like its home, its environment, the place where it chooses to live, okay? So, which one is correct? All fish can swim in fresh water and salt water. Any fish, you can take any fish, put it in fresh water and it will survive. And you can take any fish, put it in salt water and survive. If that is true, circle that fact. All fish can swim through anemone. Every single type of fish can swim through anemone. Remember, an anemone is not that big. So, I don't know. Fish need to be in water so they can survive. If a fish is outside of water, it will die. So, if that is correct, circle that answer. And then the last one. Fish search for food with their hands. Fish use their hands to search for food. Only choose the one that is correct. I'm going to read all 4 of them again. It's a bit seriously. All fish can swim in fresh water and salt water. If that is correct, draw a circle. All fish can swim through anemone. If that is true, circle. Fish need to be in water so they can survive. If that is true, circle. Or fish search for food with their hands. If that is true, circle. And then we are done with our videos for today. Now you only have your handwriting, and then tomorrow you will hear from me for the quizzes. What quizzes are we writing tomorrow? Phonics and maths. Number line work. Oh, and we're doing a comprehension. That's actually very nice. The comprehension is going to tell us a lot more about fish. And the number line worksheet is really not difficult. It's a lot about number work, number knowledge. So a lot of tomorrow's quiz is going to be which number is bigger, which number is smaller, what number is in between, where would you find this number on the number line, those type of things. So you are all capable of doing all of tomorrow's quizzes and actually getting full marks. I know that for a fact. And that is it. Okay, you'll hear from me tomorrow. I love you guys. Have an amazing day. And I can't wait to Zoom with some of you.